Okay, I'm reloaded.
YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am the wave. I am the bridge, man. Now, right now, son. So, right now, in this video, I'm gonna show y'all in 5 minutes how to get started with Forex, the beginner's guide. I'm about to put you on game, all right? But before we get into that, man, if you're not subscribed already, man, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. I got a vlog channel, I got a reaction channel, I got a gaming channel. Subscribe to all of them, son. Like, what's really good, all right? For everybody who's been watching me, you guys, you know what it is that I do. Y'all know that I used to be broke. You know, I got started with this trading world and everything changed. All right, I get messages every single day, hundreds of messages from y'all asking me for help, all of that stuff. So I'm about to help y'all. Now, before I like really start doing this, because I really do want to help y'all, but before I really start, I already know it's going to be a bunch of niggas in my comments talking crazy. Just know, it's nothing to get blocked. Alright? Secondly, I'm not one of these corny niggas on YouTube I'm not one of these corny educators. Alright? I'm gonna put y'all on game. Y'all need to listen. Get ready. You ready? Alright, bet, let's get it. Alright, so first things first. It's only 5 steps that you need to start trading. The very first thing that every single one of y'all need to do is simple. You need to find a mentor. Alright? I hope y'all can read that. Don't say nothing but my handwriting. What does this mean? Alright? Finding a mentor. Find somebody who knows what's going on. Okay? Find someone with the success that you want. Yeah, you can go to YouTube, you can go to Baby Pips, you can learn for free, all of that. But you gotta understand, most of the stuff that you see on YouTube is trash. Most of the stuff that you see on the internet is garbage. Alright? Most people, 95% of people who try to trade Forex lose money. Alright? And where's 95% of the information? It's on YouTube. So come on, son, make it make sense. You need to find somebody who knows what they're doing. Alright? Find a mentor. Yes, most mentors, they charge. Alright? The same way how you go to work and you expect to get paid, you can't expect to reach out to a mentor and expect them to give you their time and expect them to do it for free. All right, now y'all already know, if y'all want some help, if y'all want my mentorship, click the link down below. It does cost money, so hey, it is what it is. If you ain't got money, go ahead, don't even do it. Now, next thing that you do, after you find a mentor, you have to find a place to actually trade. So what does that mean? You need to find a broker. Alright? Don't say nothing about my handwriting, man. Alright? Now, it's a bunch of different brokers. Now, I know some of y'all probably thinking, yo, what in the world is a broker? When you hear the word broker, I want you to think of it like a bank. Alright? Wells Fargo, SunTrust, Bank of America, Chase, all of these banks literally do the same thing. They all hold your money, all right? But they are all different, okay? Bank of America has different rules than SunTrust. SunTrust has different rules than Wells Fargo, all right? Different rules, different requirements. The same thing goes for brokers, all right? You can go to Trader's Way. You can go to Hugo's Way. You got KOT Forex, all right? The broker that I actually use is called Hugo's Way. I'm going to leave the link down below. You can click that. You can make a demo account. And that takes me to my third step, or your third step, because I already know how to do this. Your third step will be to open a demo account. Now, a lot of people have different opinions about demo accounts. All right? Yo, when you are trading Forex, whether you trading Forex, crypto, whatever you trading, understand, yo, this is real money. And you do not know what the hell you doing. So why would you practice with real money? Okay, you need to open a demo account and you need to practice with practice money. Okay, when you first start this, I'm telling you now, you are going to lose money. All right, so why not lose practice money instead of losing real money? Even if you come into this and you start off making money, eventually you're gonna start losing. Why? Because you do not know what you're doing. Okay, so open a demo account. It is not hard to do. You can literally look that up all over the internet on how to open a demo account. I'm gonna even make a video showing y'all how to open a demo account. All right, now after you open a demo account, after you practice, you learning the strategy, all of that stuff, next step, you need to open a live account. Simple. Damn, my handwriting crazy. Open a live account. All right, now once it comes to the live account, this is when you start trading with real money. Now, once you trading with real money, yeah, you trading like it's live. All right, so that means that you need to be using proper risk management. And who's gonna help you with that proper risk management? your mentor. You are going to listen to what the hell your mentor is telling you to do. Why are you going to listen to your mentor? Because your mentor has the results that you want. You do not know what you're doing. You don't know what you don't know. All right? Listen, man, I'm trying to help you out, man. You can do whatever you want. I'm just a regular person. No, I'm not the best trader in the world, but hey, man, my life is lit. All right? So I'm trying to help y'all life get lit too. All right? Now, step 5. Step 5 is simple. You're going to start trading, all right? Now, I know when I say start trading, you probably already started trading with demo account, all right? But you got to understand, once you trade with your demo account, it's completely different than trading with your live account. Why is it different? Because it's practice money, all right? Yeah, when you open that demo account, they're going to give you 5 bands, practice money. So if you turn that 5 bands and you lose it all, you can just easily make a new one. If you turn that 5 bands to 100 bands, it's practice money. But when you really put 5 bands in your account, and I'm gonna be real, a lot of y'all not really gonna put 5 bands in your account. You're gonna start off with $50. You're gonna start off with $100, all right? But you have to understand that there's a difference, all right? I promise you, once you place that trade with real money, your heart is gonna be pounding. You're gonna have a bunch of different thoughts. Like, you're gonna start panicking. I'm gonna just be real with you, okay? Now, these are the top 5 steps. First one, you need to find a mentor. Find somebody who knows what they're doing, okay? Like, I promise you, this right here, this step is gonna save you so much time. It's gonna save you so much effort, so much stress, and it's gonna save you so much money. Yes, finding a mentor, yes, it might cost some money. More than likely, it does cost money. Or you might stumble across somebody who just really knows what's going on. But in most cases, it's gonna cost money. But in the end, if you are serious about trading, it's gonna save you money. It costs money to make money, all right? Like I said before, if you wanna get my mentorship, you know, I have a whole investment group, the Bridge CEO. Hey, click the link down below. We're gonna get you right. Second, you need to find a broker, okay? There's a bunch of different brokers. I'm gonna put the broker that I use down below. You can easily make a demo account with them, all right? That brings me to number 3. You need to open a demo account. Bro, sis, practice, 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 practice. Practice makes perfect, okay? But at the same time, the way you practice is how you're gonna play. When I was playing sports, like they used to always tell us, you're gonna play how you practice. So you need to go hard with practice. You need to really be studying. You need to really be putting in that work, all right? And that way, when it comes to the game, when it comes to step forward, trading live, it's not gonna be as hard, all right? If you trade your demo account like a live account, once you really start trading your live account, it's not gonna be that hard, okay? Or it's not gonna be that stressful, that's what I'm gonna say. Step 4, open a live account. Pretty much, I already talked about that. You need to open a live account, put some real money on there, and start trading. Use proper risk management. Consult with your mentor. Let them help you. Let them teach you risk management, all of that stuff. Step 5, the last step, yo, trade. That's the only way you're gonna get better, all right? A wise man once told me 10 hours in the field or 10 hours studying is worth 1 hour in the field. I think that's what the fuck he said. Something like that, man. Pretty much, you need to get in the field. That's how you're gonna really learn, by really doing it, all right? I hope this video helped y'all out, man. I'm gonna make some more videos. I need to comment down below. If this helped you, first off, comment down below. Second off, yo, if you a hater, yo, just miss me, man. I'm telling you now, all y'all niggas gonna get blocked. I'm telling you now, all y'all niggas gonna get blocked, all right? But if you want to know more, if you got a question, just go ahead, put it in the comments. Whatever kind of video you want me to do, put it in the comments, and I got y'all. All right? Y'all already know how I go. If you're not subscribed already, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. Y'all already know how I go, man. You're either gonna catch the wave or get washed up. I hope y'all can see that, man. But hey, cause waves don't die. Sheesh. Ugh. She called me a Forex nigga. She used to the boring niggas. Baby, I'm a touring nigga. Don Julio pouring nigga. We drive foreigns, nigga. In a place where I'm foreign, nigga. Wherever I go, my team like, yeah, we going with you. It's real. Nigga, I stay in the field. Haters mad cause my bump in my dick.